back to the channel. So my name is Tafika. I do different makeup, beauty and lifestyle videos over here. So today's makeup video is about this look that I have created on the special occasion of Eid. I hope you like the video, and it is a very subtle green sort of makeup this is the look that I have created for you all today. I hope you like it, and by the end of the video, if you like it, do not forget to subscribe. And yes, if you want to see how I created this look, let's get started. We're going to use the Dabur Gulabari Rose Water, so I'll use this as my toner. Under eye cream, this is by Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Under Eye Cream, and I'm using the Biotique Lip Balm. Moisturizing my face, I'm going to use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream. Moisturizing your face is very important so that you have a very supple face for your makeup. So next I'm going to use a primer. This is the primer by Colourpop. I'm using this one because I'm having sort of pores nowadays in my nose and around my cheek area, so I'm going to use this primer. One eye first today. So starting with the brows, I'm going to use the Make Me Brow by Essence. I'll brush my eyebrows first and then fill them up. So going to brush this over my eyebrows. Now I'll fill my spare part of my eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil. This is by Etude House. All the name of the products will be in the screen, and also the links will be in the description box. So I'll enhance my eyebrows and cover my eyelids with the same concealer. So now after the concealer, I'm going to set the concealer with this one. This is the loose powder by Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the shade medium 25, using the same sponge. So today I'm going to use this palette by Morphe and Jeffree Star. The shade that I'm going to take is the shade Mr. Diva, which is this sort of warm shade. This shade will be my transition shade. Try and keep the eyeshadow to be more towards the end and the outer corner of your eyes, and lesser towards your inner corner of your eyes, because you want your eye shape to be bigger on the outer side and a little smaller towards the inner side. So blend it very nicely till your hands starts aching out. So moving towards my second transition shade, which will be sort of a pink shade. So I am taking another palette. I'm taking a pink shade, which is this shade here. I'm taking this shade from here, and this will be my second transition shade. See, if you can see, the transition shade is showing very beautifully. There is no harsh line, so you need to blend your eyeshadow very nicely to have this sort of blended eyeshadow look. So let's move forward to the next shade. So the next shade is this green shade over here, which is sort of a matching color to my outfit. So I'll take this shade over here, which is named as Wake Bake, and apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. Bake is too light for my eyes, so I'm going to mix these two shades over here and taking it very lightly towards the inner corner of my eyes. Next step is to clean the eyelid in the form of a nice cut crease. Now it's time to conceal the cut crease and create a nice cut crease with the concealer. So I'm taking the same concealer and a concealer brush to make a nice cut crease. I'm taking the same shade Wake Bake and using it just beside the darker shade and the concealer. So using the darker shade and enhancing the shade more. I'm going to use this shade over here. This is in the name Glam Rapid and cover my concealer. Now I'm going to use the most exciting color of the palette. This is Millions. My upper lid is almost done, so we're going to do same thing on the lower lash line. So what I'm going to use is I'll use the shade Wake and Bake Matte and a little bit of Mr. Diva. So for Kajal, I'm going to use the Calabar pencil. This is in the shade Emerald Charm 06. I'm using this for my lower lash line. So one eye is done. I'll just be back with the other eye makeup and my lashes on. So my other eye makeup is also done. I have put the lashes and a little bit of a mascara. Everything will be down in the description box, whatever I have used today. So let's just get on with the base. So cleaning the dust, whatever is there from my face with the hanky. So we have already primed the face, so moving directly to the foundation. I'm using the foundation by Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 228. I'll take just a tiny bit of it. Using the same powder to set the base. Brushes are important or not? As per my thinking and my knowledge, I think brushes are really very important for each and every application of a makeup. So you need to have a good quality and all sorts of brushes so that you can, you know, have a certain sort of makeup look that you want to create. It's very important to have certain sort of a brush So yes, brushes for me are a very important tool for makeup. You can't just go with any sort of thing and you will, आप ऐसा नहीं सोच सकते कि आपके पास कोई भी टूल हो तो आपके पास you will think कि मेरा जैसा मेकअप मुझे चाहिए वैसे हो जाए. It is very difficult, okay? So you need to have proper tool. If you want to know what sort of brushes are important, not every brushes are important, but you need to have certain brushes. So if you want to know what brushes are important for your makeup, I have a video. I'll link down it in the description box, so you can just click on it and watch the video. So for bronzer, I'm going to use this bronzer by Ofra. This is in the shade, no, it's just a blush bronzer format. There is no color shade, but I'll try to link it down in the description box. So using this as a bronzer. Blush myself, so I'm going to use a blusher. This is by Ofra again. This is in the shade Coral Crush. So for us who are like non-Muslim, हमारे लिए इफ्तार party में जाना it's like a treat. With no offense to anybody, it's just that we non-Muslims के लिए it's like a delicious fest of food. जहाँ पे हमें variety of खाना खाने को मिलता है, and I miss all those things, and it's been a long time that I have not been to any sort of iftar party or anything. And here I mean जो हो रहा है with this world, everybody is locked in their houses. Many festivals are like missed out like that only. We are just at home normally with our families, but yes, it's just that we should be feeling very blessed कि हम अपने घर में बैठे हैं very safely. There are a lot of people who are, you know, locked outside the country. They are not being able to come house. They are not being able to go meet their family. So we are very lucky. Finger crossed that we are staying in our houses and safely in our house. So yeah, by Ofra. By Wet n Wild. This is in the shade I think Blossom Glow. So I'm going to use this highlighter. So I'll be going with Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. This is in the shade Plum Feather. This is the final look. I hope you all liked it. हाँ मैं थोड़ी सी tan हो गई हूँ, but I don't think that's a big deal. So this is the final look which I have created for you all. I hope you all like the makeup. आप खुद पे भी ये try करोगे. If you do try this makeup look, do not forget to tag me in Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to see your makeup look. So I wish all of you Eid Mubarak, and if you haven't subscribed and you do like my the thing and my work that I do here, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.